Okay, so Jack, this is my biggest gun. Wait. Let me stand it up so I can show you. So look at the biggest gun I have. So see that? Pretty big, huh? Right? Think that's pretty big? Okay, so I'm gonna come get all my Nerf guns and I'm gonna test shoot all of them, and so like you can see and stuff. My new glow in the dark one too. So I'll come here.
What, Shanna?
Nothing. So we're in the room. We're in my room. Yeah. Okay, so my new glow in the dark gun. See? See that pretty well? See that? See it? Okay, so oh god, there's my whole bucket of things. Look, it's right down here. It's my whole bucket. Look. Right there. Bucket. New glow in the dark. Works pretty well. I got extra bullets. See right there. So, whoa, what is it? Whatever. Okay. So I'm gonna bring another gun in here. And I'm gonna show you what it is. Oh yeah, this one. So, check. It is this one. If you can remember this one. Not as big as this. So, you can see it's not even close to the modulus. Look, watch. Not even close to the modulus. Look. So if you can see that, let me switch the camera around. So it's kind of hard, difficult, but as you can see, the modulus is way longer, way longer than what is this called? It is called denominator. You can see that. This is my other one right here.
Brian, do you have anything else for homework?
No.
Just spelling and reading tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So this is my other gun. Let's compare this one to the modulus. So as you can see, the modulus is pretty big, and I'm pretty sure that this is the biggest gun that I own. So if I go right here, put this right there, still bigger. You can see that. If I put it right here, on the tip, look, if I do it like this should work better. There. So then if I put the gun right there, modulus is way bigger still. You can see, wait, I'm trying to show you. See, the modulus is way bigger. And so, on to my next big gun. And the modulus is the biggest gun I own. And so, need to get this one. I'll come back and get the next one later. Mom, can I come through?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
I mean, look at the name of it. What the hell do you think?
But it's about a guy just writing a story.
Okay, so next one. Pretty sure it still isn't bigger than the modulus, but I'm gonna see. Yeah, it's not even close. So if you can see, that's both. both of them. It is way bigger. So the next one. These are all the guns that are not bigger than the modulus. And so I'm getting the next gun.
Brody, what do you want to do?
Do what?
He's borrowing your school phone.
Next gun. Right here. I know every single move they do.
You're supposed to know.
Yeah, but if I'm
I'm
not...
not going out and buying all this shit, he's not gonna perform it.
Okay, so the next gun is pretty heavy. It's a machine gun. First machine gun I ever got. Still not bigger than the modulus. If you can see, like right there, you can see it's definitely not bigger than the modulus. Definitely not. And I don't know if I could find. I guess I could find. Big guns up here.
Please stop walking through my.
In my room. There we go. There, inside the room. Sitting in nice Yankees pillow. Yankees right there. Yankees. I got the Predator. We can move with this.
Cindy, if my kids play all the time, I'd be committed. If these kids play all the time, and all of a sudden they're not going to go, and then they're going to go back to playing all the time, hell with them.
Okay, so this one's really short, but there you go. There you go. Those are all the Nerf guns that are pretty big for me, and these are all the Nerf guns that don't make it. So if you could send me a feedback about your Nerf guns and stuff, then that would be great. Okay, so bye.